The overall goal of this procedure is to create conditioned taste aversion in small ruminants used for grazing ground covers in woody crops. In woody crops, ground cover is used to mitigate soil erosion and degradation. However, grasses compete with the crop for nutrients and water. Ground cover is usually controlled by agrochemical products and tillage. Nevertheless, grazing with small ruminants could be a more sustainable and eco-friendly alternative. The main issue of grazing woody crops with small ruminants is that young leaves and sprouts are very palatable and attractive for them. As a consequence, to prevent crop damage and production loss, grazing is not currently used. A useful tool to prevent animals from consuming a particular feed is conditioned taste aversion, or CTA, a methodology based on self-learning feed behavior. The first time that an animal consumes a specific feed, this creates a post-ingestive response that the animal can associate with that feed. If the feedback is positive, that is, it provides adequate nutrients, the animal would then increase their consumption. If the feedback is negative, that is, it creates illness or discomfort, the animal would then avoid its consumption. To create aversion against woody crops, we have to administrate a lithium chloride dose to induce negative feedback.
Lithium chloride is the most used inducer agent for feed aversion in small ruminants, mainly due to its strong, long effect and persistence. Its mechanism of action is on the emetic system, which will produce some gastrointestinal